Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Leo, let's see what's going on. What's the most important message that you need to hear now for this love bite? And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their life or love life, whatever wants to show through for them today. Thank you. So, Leo, I'm going to put this here and we're going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading and then we'll start the reading. But before that, Leo, my battery's dying. So let me just put the charging back on. All right, are we ready? So, my angels, spirit guides, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message card for my Leo gang, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. This one. All right, let's put this card here, Leo. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Leo, is Triumphant. Beautiful card, Leo. My lions and lionesses, what are you being triumphant in? Let's put this here. Let's open your cards and let's see what wants to show through for you for this reading. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love and support to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you for all your likes and your comments and all the love that you're sending to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And of course, if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is our Friday Love Bite. This is just a mini read, 9-card simple spread to see what your energies are like and what needs to show through for you now. So, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, of course, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. Bottom of my deck, I do see the Hierophant. Commitment? Leo? What's going on? Let's see. Empress in reverse. Lovers. Wheel of Fortune. 6 of Pentacles. High Priestess. Strength, Hanged Man, the Sun, and the King of Swords. So somebody is kind of not very happy and they've made a decision to kind of not move forward with something because they feel there's no equal give and take here. Maybe somebody who's not listening to their intuition on time, but now maybe they were holding back or keeping the relationship stuck. Now I don't think either of you are very happy at the moment with the way things are, but I have a King of Swords now who wants to have some direct conversations here now. Okay? Maybe they took too long or held back or something like that. There was an unequal partnership here, and that's kind of led this Empress to feel neglected or unappreciated. So let's take some dialogue message cards first, Leo. Let's see what's going on between the two of you. Let's get the ball rolling here, and then we'll clarify these cards as well. So Leo and their partner spirit, what would they like to say to each other if they could now? Leo and their person. Okay, I've got 3 here. Let's take another 3 from another deck and make it a little more interesting. 1, 2, and 1 more spirit, please. 3. Okay, I got 4. And we'll top it with another 2 from another deck. Okay, thank you. So the first card says, I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. So one or both of you have had some bad relationships maybe in the past, and that's why there is a bit of hesitancy to come towards each other maybe and holding back going on Or maybe one partner's feeling that the other one has been holding back and it's kind of upset them. And somebody wants to have some clear communication about the fact that, hey, listen, I know I kind of didn't put my best foot forward, I think, because I'm still healing from some past hurt. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Like I said, somebody held back, somebody didn't listen to their intuition on time, did not have equal give and take, kind of held back from truly expressing how they felt. And I think here's a feminine energy who feels kind of bad that they don't feel safe in the connection. Maybe somebody was kind of not moving on time, but I do see somebody who wants to speak about it now. Okay, so I have an addiction. I don't know what this addiction could be and who has it. You would know, Leo, if this is resonating with you. Next card says, the love I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure and overgive to you. I realize that I have to give to myself, and then that you will then master self-love. Next card says, I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say you want to be with me, but your actions don't match with your words. Same thing again. Actions don't, same, absolutely the same message again. I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say that you want me, but your actions don't match with your words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. Like I said, somebody is feeling neglected here. Because why? There was no equal partnership. Somebody was kind of maybe holding back, keeping this relationship a bit stagnant. Next card says, your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the fucking truth. It's the least I deserve. So basically what this card is saying, that don't give me mixed messages. Whatever you want to say it straight. Don't tell me that you want me or you like me and then kind of run away and your actions never match your words. So that's what's been the problem, I think, in this connection till now. I swear, you get more beautiful every day. With age, you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside out. So all these sweet words are being said or have been said, I think, to this feminine. But when it really comes down to the brass tacks of taking action, this Leo, this is your card. So this could be you, right? So somebody just holds back and really never kind of allows this sun to shine. This is also your card. Never allows this sun to shine the way it should, with clarity and truth. Always keeping things hidden, giving mixed messages. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close. I'm aching for you. So now these are some mixed messages going back and forth, right? Or at least going from one person to the other who's saying, hey, what's all this? You'd say all that, and when it comes to making a decision, the wheel of fortune gets stuck. You never make a decision. The Empress says, where is the decision here? Last card says, I'm stuck in my pride and ego. See, here's the answer for you, Leo, if this is your person. I'm stuck in my pride and ego, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you. But I'm even more annoyed with myself. Now this person is saying that, hey, listen, I mean, when it was time to take action, I kind of held back. I did not have equal give and take. I give you mixed messages, and I know that you're disappointed in me, and now I'm irritated with my own behavior because heart of hearts, I really want to have a communication with you. I want to see if we can have a future together, and I wish I could have had that clear communication with you. So let's clarify these cards now and see. Empress in reverse, Spirit. Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Yeah, the Empress is feeling this relationship is anyways was or is built on sand. There is absolutely no foundation being built here. It's going to crumble anyway. So what am I fighting for? I don't want to fight for it anymore either. I'm making a decision that if something is that wishy-washy, that it's going to just keep crumbling each time, then I'm not going to bother, right? The Lovers, yes, this Empress feels this is too much hard work. I mean, this is too heavy. There's no flow of this relationship. The Wheel of Fortune is stuck. Where is the flow of energy in this relationship? Sometimes you say something, sometimes you show me something. So this is getting heavier and heavier for me. I don't know what to believe, or your words or your actions anymore. Yes, nothing's been shed light to. It's always Sun in reverse. I have it twice now, Leo. So this is your card. So this should have been in the upright, where things should have been crystal clear, happy, and talking clearly, or showing with your words and actions to match. But this has always been in reverse, meaning things have always been hidden. The true feelings have always been kept hidden. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. Like this I think it's the masculine, like they're saying that, hey, listen, I've had a bad relationship in the past which didn't work out for me. It's come to an end, and I'm not being able to hear my own intuition with this new connection now. I don't know whether it's just a fantasy for me or is this a real thing, because I've had such an imbalanced relationship in the past, and this one, the last one, never worked out for me. And it's now come to an end, and I'm not being able to. I'm just trying to kind of heal myself maybe and not make any decisions. Yes, they're very stuck. They are trying to kind of heal themselves. They are trying to listen to their intuition. I mean, flip the energy, of course, vice versa. This could be the feminine, but one partner has had a bad relationship. Yes, because of this stoppage that came in their past relationship, they've kind of lost faith in their own intuition now. Hanged Man, Spirit. Hanged Man. That's the reason they don't take action going forward. They're scared. They're totally scared that what if it happens one more time? And that's why, even though they know that this is the Empress, they are giving mixed signals to kind of not have to make a decision, not have to commit again, or not have to say anything which can either go wrong or whatever. Some fears are kind of haven't allowed, I think, the masculine to really show how they feel. And this has really upset the Empress. Now, they've been dealing with an Empress, which you don't disrespect an Empress, Leo, if you've done that. This is not just a queen, this is the Empress herself. So, Strength card, Spirit. Strength card. Now the feminine, I think, is holding back. Now I think the feminine has said, okay, you don't know me. I am the Empress. I'm pretty strong on my own as well. I only talk to people who have clear vision, who speak to me, with truth and integrity. Otherwise, here's my sword. I'm going to now be very careful talking to you as well, because in the past, whatever you said was untrue and your actions never matched up to your words, right? So now this feminine, I think, is saying, I hold this sword now. Either you come towards me with truth and integrity, or it's all right, let the tower fall. The Sun in reverse, Spirit. Sun in reverse. feminine energy is a little upset and angry at, I think, this masculine's behavior now. They are strong enough, I think. They are trying to heal themselves now, but no longer excited about the connection anymore. This Empress was looking for minimum a King of Pentacles. Somebody who was authentic, somebody who could step up to the plate, who was an equal match to them. Not just a wishy-washy character who would say something one day, an ungrounded person, that would be the King of Pentacles in reverse, right? Somebody very ungrounded, never being authentic. This feminine is saying, I have the sword of truth, I tell the truth, I expect the truth. And I expect a partner who is equal to me. I'm not looking for a wishy-washy character. King of Swords Spirit? King of Swords. I think what the masculine now wants to come and communicate is, hey, can I return? I was weak, yes. I didn't show you the strength I actually do possess. I was trying to keep secrets. They want to come and share now with the feminine all that they were keeping secret. They do want to return. They do want to have some clear communication now. And I think the truth is that they were maybe suffering from some PTSD from a last relationship here, which kind of didn't give them the strength to be honest with this Empress. They do want to be victorious with this Empress now. And if it comes to that, yes, they are willing to now see if there is a possibility of a future with commitment. Okay, so yes, I think this masculine is wanting to have some kind of direct communication. They want to match this Queen of Swords now. If you have a sword of truth, hey, listen, so do I. It's just that I was a little weak at that point. I didn't show you my strength. I do want to return back and try once again. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. I will see you now next Monday. Namaste.